Are you wondering what is in doTERRA's Holiday Gift Giving Guide 2021? If so, watch this video. I'm going to break it all down for you and talk to you a little bit about the different products coming out. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil enthusiast and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I love hearing from my subscribers, so go ahead and in the comments below, tell me what you're most excited about in this gift giving guide. So let's jump right in. So we actually got to walk around at convention and see these products in person, and I can tell you, I am so excited. I cannot wait to get all of these different products. So on page 1, you're going to see our traditional Holiday Peace and Holiday Joy blends. Now these ones, the Holiday Joy tends to stay in stock a little bit longer than the Holiday Peace one. The Holiday Peace one sells out very fast every year. So if this is one that you want to get, make sure that you jump on this right when it releases November 1st. Actually, I'm not exactly sure what day they're going to release, but oh yeah, it says right here, holiday products available November 1st. So these are both $24.50 wholesale or retail $32.67. Now, I do have both of these blends, and I'll tell you the Holiday Peace one, I mean, you can tell it's got, you know, a couple different furs in there, frankincense and vetiver, so it is a lot more tree woodsy, I should say, scented, whereas the Holiday Joy one feels a little more spice-ish, which makes sense because it has cassia, it's got clove, ginger, it also has wild orange and some other things. And so these are both awesome blends to be diffusing during the holiday season, and I actually like alternating between the two of them. Now, in the next page, you're going to see this awesome storage case. And the thing that I love about the holiday guide is doTERRA always pulls out just a few unique things that make us all want them, right? Like, isn't this so cool? It stands up. And so you open the drawers vertical and the oils are inside. So I love this. I'm definitely going to order this. And you also can order some ancient oils to go in this beautiful case if you want. We've got cistus, common myrtle, gall balm, and hyssop. Now, we did have some of these last year, but they were separated in boxes. Not separated, sorry. They were put together, and now this year they're separated. So we had like a box of 6, I believe, with frankincense, these ones, and one other, I can't remember what it was. But it's cool that these are separated now, so we could buy them separate. Now you can see some of these are precious, like the cistus and the gall balm. But these are, you know, limited time only. These are not oils that we can get on a normal basis. So if you want any of these ones, definitely these are ones that you want to get on and grab. Now, last year in the holiday catalog, they had a perfume that I absolutely love. In fact, I just found some online and I bought 3 extras because I love it so much. I am so excited for Soul number 3 Personal Aroma because I loved the first one so much. And this has Divana in it, vanilla, sandalwood, and mandarin. I mean, seriously, it's going to be heavenly. I just know it. So, yeah, it's also going to come in a hand lotion. The aroma is $39.50 wholesale and the lotion is $14.50. Now let's go on to here. Yarrow has actually been in and out of stock randomly for the last couple months. And so I'm so excited to get this back. I love the body renewing serum. You know, a lot of people will message me from my videos and ask what I'm doing and why my face glows. And this is why. This is my secret. This Yarrow Palm right here is so amazing for the skin, and it comes with a rose quartz stone to help smooth the skin. And so this stone it's used in a practice that you do on a daily basis to support your healthy skin and to really help bring out the glow. And so I cannot wait for this one as well. This is a steal at $89.50. Can I just tell you, it's a 15 ml, so it's a smaller bottle than the you know, we can get this in a 30 ml, and then the body serum's a smaller size as well. So if you've been wanting to try Yarrow Pom, this is definitely the one that you want to grab. All right, so then we have a neck and back wrap with the Adaptive Calming Mist. And so I'm excited for this one because I tend to be a freezing cold human. Even in the summer, I'm always looking for heating pads, things like that. So this is awesome. And you can add in you can spray it with your Adaptive or add an essential oil on it because that heat will really make it smell amazing, penetrate the air around you. And then you can also get a passive terra stone, I should say, diffuser. This is great. I actually have one of these. It's it doesn't look like this, but it's the same type of thing that I got from doTERRA. And I keep it on my desk, and I love it because when I'm kind of feeling a little stressed, I can just drop a drop of essential oils on there, typically Adaptive or Balance, and I can smell it over and over again for hours on end. So that is $12.50. Then we come to this cute koala bear. Oh my gosh, don't you just love it so much? This Koala Diffuser comes with a calmer, and it is just adorable. Any kid would love this in their bedroom. It creates a very peaceful environment, and it's perfect to put oils in when your child is trying to study or maybe go to sleep. This diffuser is $59.50. Then we have our Adaptive Calming Mist and our Holiday Peace mist. That's a room spray. I am loving it that doTERRA is coming out with these sprays because we can replace those toxic sprays like Febreze and things like that you might be purchasing that are really adding harmful chemicals into your environment. So one of the sprays, the Adaptive spray, is a $6.75, and the Holiday Room Mist spray is also $6.75. Now, a lot of people have been waiting for an aftershave lotion. I actually have a Midnight Forest essential oil, so it's very woodsy and manly. So it's fun that they're coming out with a body wash and a lotion. The kit together for both of them is $28.50. Separate, it's $17.50 and $13.25. Then we have our beard oils. Oh my goodness. I think this is like so genius of them that they came out with beard oils, an Adaptive, Northern Escape, and Balance, all wonderful scents to have on the beard. And these are $17.50 each. So that's super exciting. Okay, this is actually what I'm probably most excited about it's coming. So the cookie cutters are so cute. An oil cookie cutter, I'm definitely getting that for sure, and drops. And then we've got, these are always so good. Every year they kind of do a chocolate, and I love them. I actually buy a bunch of them, and I put them in my cupboard, and I pull them out throughout the year and just, nibble on them here or there. So these are super fun. But what I'm it's not here yet. Hold on. They're coming. They're cooking oils. They're coming. I know it. The next thing we have are carrot seed, spearmint, and rosemary body butter, which is very, this just seems like this would be very holiday-ish. And then a nighttime restful body oil, which is awesome if you're trying to relax and maybe you want to give a massage before you go to bed at night. This is a great one to grab. So the body butter is $14.50. The nighttime restful body oil is $26.50. And then we have our hand rose lotion. Oh my goodness, did I miss? Hold on, let me go back. There are some see this baking spice? Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's right there. I thought that, oh my gosh, I was thinking that it was going to be separate. But yeah, you can buy the holiday baking set spice. It's got baking spice, essential oil in it with the cookie cutters. I'm so sorry. I read that wrong. I was waiting for that to just be a single thing. And so that is, I cannot wait for that one. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Ginger, cardamom, cassia, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Are you kidding me? It's going to be be so delicious. So anyways, that is the doTERRA holiday catalog. Don't forget to donate to the Healing Hands Foundation, whether it be just in a monetary donation or you can buy the Rose Hand Lotion, the Hope Essential Oil. All proceeds go to Healing Hands, 100% of them. I hope that you enjoy this holiday gift giving guide. I'm so excited for everything that's coming. And go ahead and check out some of my other videos. At the end of this video, you'll see that it's linked to a number of different videos, and hopefully you will get tons of education from this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We look forward to talking to you real soon. Come back for more. Bye.